Welcome to Review Lab. The best chocolate bars is probably one of the most exciting and delicious ways to satisfy your sweet cravings, offering a delightful assortment of flavors and textures that promise a unique tasting adventure with every bite, making it an ideal choice for parties, movie nights, or simply treating yourself to a moment of pure indulgence. Number 5. Snickers, TWX, Milky Way and 3 Musketeers full-size candy bars. Get ready to indulge in a delicious assortment of your favorite chocolate bars. This variety pack brings together iconic brands for everyone to enjoy. With individually wrapped full-size bars, it's easy to share the sweetness. They are perfect for parties, movie nights, or just a personal treat. Whether you love the satisfying crunch or the smooth chocolate, there's a bar here to satisfy every craving. Enjoy a variety of textures and flavors. This bulk assortment ensures you have plenty of delicious candy on hand. It's a great value for stocking up your pantry or for any occasion. Experience the full-size indulgence of these classic milk chocolate bars. Each one is a satisfying treat, perfect for a moment of pure chocolate bliss. This is the ultimate mix for any chocolate lover. You get a generous amount of bars, ensuring there's enough deliciousness to go around. What we like? This pack offers full-size bars, perfect for satisfying a serious chocolate craving. If you're looking for a substantial treat to share or enjoy yourself, these are a fantastic choice. It's ideal for parties or when you want a truly indulgent snack. What people say. Full-size bars, well worth the money. Nice variety to choose from. Taste soft, chewy, just great value for the money. The variety is great and there's something for everyone. The price isn't bad at all, about $1 per bar, which is much cheaper than buying them individually at the store. They're fresh, tasty, and always appreciated. Number 4. M&M'S, Snickers, TWX and Milky Way Variety Pack. Get ready for a chocolate lover's dream. This assortment features iconic brands you know and love. Whether you're in the mood for the classic M&M'S, the satisfying crunch of Snickers, the caramel chew of TWX, or the creamy goodness of Milky Way, there's something for everyone. With 90 pieces in this generous bag, it's ideal for parties, movie nights, or simply treating yourself. Each candy is individually wrapped, making them easy to share and perfect for on-the-go enjoyment. Experience the best of chocolate with this ultimate variety pack. It's the perfect way to satisfy all your sweet cravings. What we like? With 90 pieces, this assortment is designed for maximum enjoyment and sharing. If you need a large supply of crowd-pleasing candies for events or a well-stocked candy bowl, this is your go-to. It's perfect for families or anyone who loves having a variety of popular choices on hand. What people say. The mix of M&M's peanut, Snickers, Starburst, and Skittles means there's something for everyone, whether you like chewy fruit candy or classic chocolate. Every piece came individually wrapped and fresh, making it easy to hand out to trick-or-treaters or keep in a candy bowl for guests. With 55 pieces in this bulk pack, there's a delightful mix of chocolatey treats and fruity flavors that will satisfy any craving. Number 3. Hershey's, KIT, Reese'S Assorted Chocolate Variety Box. Get ready for a delightful assortment of your favorite chocolate treats. This box is packed with iconic flavors everyone will love. Indulge in the classic tastes of Hershey's, KIT, and Reese'S. Each bite offers a unique and satisfying chocolate experience. With 18 individually wrapped candies, it's perfect for parties, movie nights, or simply treating yourself. Enjoy the convenience and variety. Dive into the smooth and creamy goodness of milk chocolate. These assorted bars and cups are sure to satisfy any sweet craving. This generous 27.3-ounce box brings together 3 beloved brands for the ultimate chocolate lover's dream. It's the perfect way to stock up on happiness. What we like? This box features beloved, classic chocolate brands that are always a hit. If you're searching for a reliable assortment for holidays, care packages, or as a gift, this is an excellent option. It's ideal for those who appreciate timeless chocolate tastes and want to please a wide range of preferences. What people say. The quality is top-notch, everything arrived fresh and perfectly intact. The Kit Kat snapped as it should, clean and precise. The Hershey's melted evenly, smooth and dependable. The Reese's had that bold peanut butter bite that makes the sweetness matter. They all came individually wrapped. The texture and color were fresh and no different than what you would buy at a store. Number 2. Hershey's Miniatures Assorted Chocolate Candy Party Pack. Get ready for a party with Hershey's Miniatures Assorted Chocolate Candy. This generous 35.9-ounce pack is perfect for sharing. Each miniature is individually wrapped, making them easy to share and perfect for any occasion. Enjoy a variety of classic Hershey's flavors. Whether it's a birthday, holiday, or just a casual get-together, this party pack has something for everyone. They are a crowd-pleasing treat. Inside, you'll find a delightful assortment of your favorite Hershey's chocolate bars in miniature size. It's a perfect way to satisfy any sweet tooth. Don't miss out on this essential party supply. This large pack ensures you have plenty of delicious chocolate to go around. What we like? Enjoy a delightful mix of miniature chocolates, offering a taste of several favorites in one pack. If you're hosting a party or need a variety of small treats for guests, this is a perfect solution. It's great for those who like to sample different flavors without committing to a full bar. What people say. The bag includes 4 popular varieties: special dark, milk chocolate, chocolate with peanuts, and chocolate with crisped rice. It's a well-balanced assortment that offers something for everyone, whether you prefer smooth chocolate or a little crunch. All pieces were individually wrapped and arrived fresh, making them easy to store, share, or toss into lunch boxes, candy dishes, or gift bags. This bulk party pack contains a whopping 35.9 ounces of assorted chocolate candy bars, ensuring there's something for everyone to enjoy. Whether you're a fan of classic milk chocolate, crave the rich flavor of dark chocolate, or prefer the satisfying crunch of almonds, Hershey's Miniatures has you covered. Number 1. Snickers, M&M'S and TWX Fun Size Variety Mix. Get ready for a delicious mix of your favorite fun-sized chocolate bars. Perfect for sharing or enjoying all to yourself. This variety bag is packed with Snickers, M&M'S, and TWX. It's the ultimate treat for any chocolate lover's craving. Each candy is individually wrapped, making them easy to share and perfect for parties or trick-or-treaters. Enjoy the convenience and the taste. With 55 pieces in this generous 31.18-ounce bag, there's plenty to go around. It's a dream come true for anyone who loves chocolate. Don't miss out on this fantastic variety mix. Pick up a bag today and satisfy your sweet tooth with these iconic chocolate favorites. What we like? This mix provides fun-size versions of highly popular candy bars, ideal for quick treats. If you need convenient, individually portioned snacks for lunchboxes, road trips, or a quick energy boost, this is a great pick. It's perfect for satisfying a sweet tooth on the move or for portion control. What people say. There's a great ratio of candy, well packaged, great price for the amount of candy. These came fast and all of the candy is super fresh and has great flavor. All I know was this candy did not disappoint. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.